again, Matty Mac here, just with another video. Today I am going to look at just running a very basic and inexpensive Google ad. So I'm going to, not a video ad, but just a text-based ad. So I've been doing a little bit of research. If you've got your product and you want to just sort of dabble and try your hand at a bit of paid advertising, I'm not going to spend too much. Let's have a look and see. So the product that I've chosen for this experiment is the 100-day bootcamp by ClickFunnels. It's good because it's a good product, because not only does it teach you about affiliate marketing, it's a good course. It also introduces them to ClickFunnels, which is when they become a member of ClickFunnels. That's good for me. So that's the product that I've chosen just for this one. I've done a little bit of research, keyword research, just gone over to the Google tool, and I did a bit of research, and it looks like this work from home ideas has a very low competition, but still quite a high monthly searches. Bottom of the low range bidding is only 44 cents, with a high range bidding of $6. Now, if you picked up a customer and they turned into a paying customer, a monthly reoccurring paying customer, and it only cost you $6, that's pretty good. 44 cents is amazing, but I'm expecting somewhere in between there. So I'm just going to run a fairly basic ad, and I'll come back with some results, and we'll see how we get with that. So that's where I'm going to start. Now, I've already got a landing page set up. Of course, I've split test a landing page here to see which one works better. So that's where I'm going to be sending them, to this split test landing page. So again, that's something else that I'll look at the metrics of and just see what sort of opt-in rate I'm getting there. And that's about it for that. So I've chosen my product. I've got my keywords. Let's go ahead and start a very basic campaign. And so we're just going to go over to Google Ads, and we're just going to start a new campaign. Now, at this stage, we're not going to track leads or sales or anything we want to do. We're just going to send traffic to the website, and I will track on the other side. I'll track when people land and then when they convert there. So all I want to do is send as many people to my landing page as I possibly can. I'm not doing video or shopping or anything. All I'm doing is a basic search function. And that is this here. So I want this text ad to come up. And when I do search work for home ideas, basically a Facebook and a reliable education ad come up, which are, I want to target more people that are sitting at home and not knowing what to do. So I want to make it pretty obvious that you give me 100 days and I can turn your passion into a business, that sort of thing, and hoping that will be enough for people to click through. Business website. So I'm just going to put in my landing page here. It's just a website landing. It's not a landing page, it's just a website information page. If they do land on that page, they can link through to my landing page. Campaign name, okay. Give it a very simple name. to do is end up here in the search function. This area right here. That's the only place I really want it to go. So I tick off display network because I only want it in the search network. Locations. I don't just want Australia, of course. I want the big 5. Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States. They're your big 5. All English-speaking countries. That's who I want to target. People that are in the targeted locations, not people who show interest. I want to go to Australia. You don't want those people. You want people that live there. Languages is English. I haven't got any audiences set up. I'm going to start with $20 a day, and I'm going to run it for 5 days. I'm not measuring conversions. I just want clicks, people that click on it and go through. I'm not going to set a limit. I'll let Google work out the do its thing and let it work out the strategy there. Don't need to mess with any extensions. Keywords. So I don't want an exact match, and I don't want it to be too broad. So I'm going to go for a phrase match here. Work from home ideas. So that means if that comes into any sort of search phrase. So if somebody, not the exact match, if I did put the exact match, then they would have to put in those exact words in that exact order. The broad match is any of those words will come up in pretty much anything that's been searching, and that will be way too expensive. So a good in between is the phrase match, and that way if they put in looking for ideas, working from home, or to work from home, then mine will come up there. And I'm just going to leave it at that. Give it a group name. So it's estimated $20 a day, about $4 a click. So that was right in the middle of where we thought it would probably be. All right, headline. So we want to grab their attention. We're assuming they're going to be looking for a way they can make money from home or ideas. So we're going to model our idea of what's working here. Not too many. Work your passion from home. Make it a career. You create 100 days of training. So that makes it pretty straightforward in your face. If I'm searching and I see turn my passion into a career, work on your passion. Teach you how you can turn your passion into a career from home. What can I do from home? Simple. Simple to follow. It started free. It doesn't cost anything to start. There is a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels. After that, then you pay a monthly subscription. I'm not going to track. I am going to send it to my landing page, not to the information page as I had there. This is where I want to send them. Send them through. That's how the ad's going to look. 100-day seminar, training seminar will teach you how you can turn your passion into a career. Simple to follow videos. Get started free. That's good. Don't mind that. It's going to cost me $20 a day for 5 days, and then we'll see what the results are. Basically, how many people can I get to my landing page? How many people will opt into my email list so I can follow up with them? And how many people will sign up to the course? They're the 3 metrics that I'm really chasing. And that's it. Done. That'll have to go through a process. Usually takes an hour or 2. Can take overnight to go through, but that's okay. We'll just leave that and we'll keep an eye on it. So that's how you set up a very simple ad campaign. In another video, I'll come back and give you the results of that one in a few days, but give it a go yourself. Just remember, when you're starting out, keep your bids quite low. Your daily spend, keep it quite low, because with Google, they'll charge you at the end of the month. And if you get carried away with this, by the end of the month, you'll get a whopping great bill. So just keep it very small to start with. Make sure you're getting a return on your investment and you're happy with it. And from there, then you can scale up and spend more money. Slow and steady is the name of this game. Okay? Dive in, take it away. please leave a comment. Make sure you let us know how you're going with yours, and if you want any help, by all means leave some questions below. Thanks, guys. If you're interested at all at affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship, be sure to click the link right below and go through to the Oz Affiliate website and join the mailing list. There's going to be heaps of bonuses and information that you can use, tools, things like that. Go ahead, jump through there, click on, and just enter your details. That'll put you on the mailing list, and you'll be given access to a whole bunch of resources for you to use and learn. When you come through, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you'll get information as soon as it's released. Like the Facebook page. Again, if you're a Facebook junkie, make sure you jump onto that page, and then jump into whatever avenue that you want to learn more about. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, this will take you through here, the 30-day challenge. In the 30 days, just 30 days, you can have an up and running online business in your own niche. Whatever you're good at, whatever you're an expert in, this is what you want to build a business around that, something that you know and are passionate about. That will show you step by step, 1 hour a day for 30 days, you'll have it up and running. If you need any references to books, your favorite entrepreneurs, go through the search there. Clickbank training, if you're a Clickbank affiliate, plenty of training available there. Some free books, there's a couple of free books. The new one, Traffic Secrets, you can get that for free just by clicking this link. There's also the .com secrets and expert secrets. Lead generation, if that's what you're after. Some more marketing secrets for Clickbank. SEO, your own website, so of course you have to learn SEO. If you want to build your own email list, things like that. If you want your own ready-made funnel, so just a funnel that you can plug your information in, give it your own spin, send traffic to and earn money, that's a ready-made funnel ready to go. All available. Building your own landing pages, things like that, all there for you. And of course the Oz Affiliate tools, exactly all the tools that I use in my business, so everything available there for you to use. All you need to do is click the link below, join the newsletter, and go exploring. Find all the information that you want. Do that now. It's worth joining.